All right, you guys, welcome back. Schofield Welding. We're here with you, Weld Tube, South Coast Welding Academy. We're still in Colorado, all right? I mean, this place is nice, so nobody wants to leave. So we're up here in Colorado. I got my two boys with me, my brothers, all right? So this is Jed Schofield. This is Dan Schofield. Jed is gonna help me. We're gonna brother-in-law this olet right now. It's a 4-inch olet. Now there's a thing called passing the arc. A lot of boiler makers do it because they're on both sides of the tube. So we're gonna demonstrate that today with Jed. Daniel's gonna be running heat and being a boss. So hope you guys enjoy. Be sure that you guys subscribe to South Coast Welding Academy, Weld Tube, and Schofield Welding, all right? Hit the notifications, that way you're always informed when the new video comes up. Everybody have a great rest of your day. Hope you enjoy, and hopefully we're able to teach you a little bit of something, all right? Hang out. Tacked up. It's got a 150 flange. Now what we're getting ready to do is Jed's going to start off on this tack over here. I'm going to start off on this tack. We're going to run to each other, and basically what's going to happen is I'm going to stop about there, which is going to leave a keyhole for Jed. He's going to stop in the same spot over here. Means all we got to do is just strike off. We're going to finish out the root, and then we're going to go ahead and start hot passing and filling with 3/16 or 5mm pipe liners, which is a 7010 series rod, a 7P plus. We're gonna flush it all the way out. Now, not every company is gonna let you do that. Not every company is gonna let you run downhill rod on an olet. A lot of them make a 7018. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna run it all downhill, flush it out, and then we're gonna cap it with 7018. It's gonna be 1/8 inch rod, and we're gonna do a technique called passing the arc. Now, in the boiler makers, they're on each side of the tubes, all right? So what happens is one dude starts off with some 7018, brings it all the way around. The other guy strikes off, grabs onto that puddle, and brings it all the way back around. Same technique, same thing we're getting ready to do. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Let's get after it. What do you say?
Let's do it.
Ooh. Make it look good now.
Yeah. Daniel up. Up.
I'm gonna just keep on bringing this down to Jed.
Okay.
This is my old machine. This is Jed's machine that I wound up selling to him. This is a classic 300 HE. This is the Lincoln's. This is the godfather of the pipeliners, all right? Lincoln Electric has been around for a long, long time, and they are a very well-trusted brand, all right? So this is the classic 300. You got your 5 gears, which is your different ranges, gears. Travis Fieldress puts out a heck of a freaking tutorial on how to control all that. He's a guru with this stuff. So anyways, great machine. It's gonna do exactly what we need it to do right here. Are you in it, Jed? You what?
Now that I'm done. I must not
You're done?
have pushed it down hard enough.
You're done?
Yeah.
Why you gotta be a boss? I'm stacking.
Are you? I thought we were pipelining this sucker.
Yeah. Well, are you short-arming me over here?
Yes, I did, I guess. I stopped because I was like, man, he should be close.
He's only done because you short-armed me by this much. Come on, man. All right. 5mm, 3/16. We're gonna fill this thing all the way out. 7018 LH, the rest of it. Low hydrogen. guys. Getting ready to run us a whole bunch of LH. We got some 1/8 inch. That's a big olet, all right? My word, that took a little while to get that thing filled up. But it's 1/8 inch LH. It should be in a rod oven, but in this instance, it got out of a brand new fresh can. All right, brand new fresh can, so we should be all right. We're gonna do a deal called passing the arc. I've never done it. All right, I'm pretty excited to try it. Nobody wanted to do it with me except for Jed, so. She's getting close. LH is such a pretty rod when you get it done right, you know?
It really is.
It really is.
It's a nice slick.
A downhill rod is some splatter and stuff, but hey, you know, it's okay.
Daniel, turn me down.
Jed's an LH master, by the way. Make it look good now, that's a little pressure. She's coming. Dang, it's gonna be interesting to weld this to me.
You ready?
Why you gotta be left-handed?
Whatever, this don't make it hard, does it?
For me?
I guess it does for you, doesn't it?
Tell me when you're about done. All right, here I come.
Okay.
Okay, get out of it. Dude, that went freaking good. Dude, I got a ball of slag chasing me. Down.
Down? You got a what, Jake?
Dude, not even a tie-in spot.
No, that looks great. Okay. There's more metal on that weld than in that pipe.
Yeah. All right, you guys, there it is. That was a lot of metal, all right? That was a ton of metal. Jed informed me there's probably more metal in that weld than there is in the pipe and the olet combined. But anyways, it was fun. We did get to pass the arc once. I was worried about doing it again, all right? Olets are not my forte, but hey, you still gotta learn how to weld them. So hopefully you guys were able to pick up on a few little things that are gonna help you with your olets, and we'll talk to you here in a bit. Guys, make sure you subscribe to Schofield Welding, WeldTube, South Coast Welding Academy. Make sure you hit the notifications, because anytime we upload a video, you guys will be notified first. Everybody have a great rest of your night. Be blessed, and we'll talk to you later. Whoa. That thing about ate my lunch. I was like, holy crap, this is taking forever.
He said only about ate your lunch. I'm pretty sure I'm starving.